Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day. Don't forget, grab your smartphone and download the Lava Matra app and stay in touch. Guru Maharaj's message is your advantage. The following is a Chaitanya book compilation given by His Holiness Jaya Pataka Swami Maharaj on July 12th, 2020 in Sridham, Mayapur, India.
Tangulangayathegaram Yakshithatalan Mande Sriguram Nidatanidam Paramanandavadavam Sri Chaitanya Islam Hare Om Tat Sat. We're continuing reading the drama at Chandrasekhar's house.
We will continue reading the drama at Chandrasekhar's house.
And Sri Krishna is being played by Advaita Gosai.
Sri Krishna is being played by Advaita Gosai.
But he appears very young.
But he appears very young.
And no beard.
And he has no beard.
So he looks just like Krishna.
He looks like Krishna.
So there's some discussion that Lord Gauranga was the culmination of Krishna and Radha.
There was some discussion is that Lord Gauranga, he was the culmination of Radha and Krishna.
And for this drama he divided into two.
For this drama he divided into two.
And now he thus had Krishna and Radha. As Krishna
and Radha.
As Krishna, he came he empowered or extended into Advaita Gosai.
As Krishna, he came into or empowered into Advaita Gosai.
And Radha, he played it himself.
And Radha, he played it himself. Chaitanya, continuation from Chaitanya Chandrodaya Natak, 3.161.
We're in a state of suspense, waiting for the divine body of His Holiness Bhakti Charu Maharaj.
We are in the state of suspense, waiting for the divine body of His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami Maharaj.
And tomorrow it's supposed to be his Samadhi ceremony.
Supposed to be his Samadhi ceremony.
But there we are. The government said we should not have any big crowd.
The government said that we should not have any big crowd.
So we're doing that. Doing it on behalf of the devotees.
So we are doing it on behalf of the devotees.
If you want to offer some salt or earth,
if you want to offer some salt or earth
in your name, please send a message.
So please send a message
to mayapur.com. Chaitanya
Chandrodaya Natak 3.161. Sri Krishna said while laughing, "Noble lady, is Vrinda your granddaughter's retinue?" Jarati said, Are, Krishna, what is the doubt here? You ask herself, Vrinda. Kusumavan whispers in Krishna's ears, Friend, she is on their side. Don't ask her for evidence. Subala said, Kusumavan, don't be afraid. Lalita, the sign of my friend's name, Krishna, is his proof. His name, Krishna, is on every tree. Lalita replied, Even if that is so, we have not done any offense. All the vines are stemmed with the letters of my dear friend's name. How is your friend Adhikari of the vines? We have picked flowers only from the lavanga vines. Jarati said to Lalita, Lalita, I perform arati to you. You have spoken well. Krishna, why do you quarrel with these girls who have established their proprietorship? If you want the flower, ask for them. I will give you the lavanga flowers to you. To whom are you not dear? Who does not love you? Everyone loves you. Shri Radha eagerly says to herself these words in Sanskrit about Krishna. She says, what is this thing that makes the world black by the body, fills the direction with the rays of the full moon, fills the ears with nectar by the words, and fills the sky with lotuses by the glance? Jarati says, Krishna, take the flowers. She takes the flowers from the end of the girl's sari and scatters them before Krishna. Shri Radha, while covering her face with the edge of her sari, she smiles slightly and said to herself, Noble lady, what have you done? Such a state as this has been done to the flowers that were picked to worship the Lord. Sri Krishna, while looking at Radha, says to himself these words, Ah, she is very beautiful, covering her face with the sari, because this doe-eyed girl's mascara, decorated sidelong glance, shines gloriously like a restless Kanjana bird in a cage. The little drop of her smile is seen like a stream of moon covered by a cloth. Lalita says to Jarati, Noble lady, you are greatly afraid. For what reason you have ruined the flower we picked with great labor? What is he to Vrindavan forest? Jarati said to Lalita, Lalita, you are capable of quarreling. Your heart is filled with itching false pride. Therefore, you quarrel with your fraudulent and mischievous hero. Come on, come, granddaughter, come. Taking Radha, she is about to leave. Shri Radha says to Jarati, Noble lady, where are we going? We have not yet worshipped Gopishwara, Lord Shiva. Kusumavan says to Jarati, Noble lady, there is a fine toll tax you must pay to my friend. Your prime role is ascertained in stealing the flowers. Pay your fine toll tax and you may all go.
So here are the pastimes between Radha and Krishna
So here is the pastimes between Radha and Krishna
are being displayed. Krishna is very much attracted to Radharani.
Krishna is very much attracted to Radharani.
And Radha is very attracted to Krishna.
And Radha is very attracted to Krishna.
But Lalita is defending her mistress Radha
But Lalita is defending her mistress Radha
by various tactics. And Jarati, the grandmother,
And Jarati, the grandmother,
is making all the things very spicy, very wonderful.
is making all the things very spicy, very wonderful.
So somehow the drama is unfolding, and now
So somehow the drama not only
is unfolding.
it's unfolding.
Kusumasava.
Kusumasava,
Is he Manamangal?
It's a Brahmana boy.
Huh?
He's a Brahmana boy, it's mentioned.
Yeah, so it's Manamangal. Is that the same?
We will check.
So now he's saying that you have to pay a fine.
So now Kusumasava is saying that they have to pay a fine.
Previously, Lalita asked, who is Krishna?
Previously Lalita asked, who is Krishna?
And Kusuma said, He's the Adhikari.
And Kusuma Sava, he said he is the Adhikari.
Adhikari means the authority.
Adhikari means the authority.
But Alita divided the word up. Adhik, Ari.
Lalita divided the word as Adhik Ari,
Great enemy.
great enemy.
So, like this, he said, so if Krishna is the great enemy of the forest,
Like this, she is saying Krishna is the great enemy of the forest.
Kusuma Sava,
So Kusuma Sava,
he said, you're very smart.
he is very smart.
He said, you to Lalita,
He said,
you're very smart.
he said to Lalita that she is very smart.
But you have committed aparad.
But you have committed aparadh.
No,
She's,
we're not aparada.
she said, no, it's aparadha.
We're not aparada.
We are not aparadha.
Apa means no.
Apa means no.
No radha.
No radha.
We are sarada.
We are sa radha.
We're with radha.
We are with radha.
Not aparada.
That's not aparadha.
So, like this.
So like this.
So Jarati is saying that, Alita, you're very expert arguing.
So Jarati is saying that Lalita, you are very expert at arguing.
Like this. Very interesting pastimes.
So like this, very interesting pastime.
Hey, this.
The cowherd boy known as Kusuma Sava in Krishna Leela later became Kolavecha Sridhar during Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela at Navadvip. Jarati said, Are, Brahmana child, what is this fine toll tax? Kusuma Sava said, Friend Subala, tell her. Subala said to Jarati, Noble lady, please hear. Look, thinking him a suitable person, King Kamadeva gave the flowers in Vrindavan forest to my glorious friend and appointed him as the superintendent to collect custom duties from the pious girls here. Oh, beautiful-eyed girl, pay the fine and go. Don't do this dry arguing. Give Shukla fine, not Shushka, dry vada. Jarati said, So be it that your friend is superintendent to collect taxes. What has it got to do with us? We are not subdued by King Kamadeva. Kusuma Sava said, You, being an old lady, how can you be subservient him? To him. Jarati angrily said, Are, if there is a man fit to accept the tax, then there is fear. Subala said, Dear friend, please give the answer yourself. Sri Krishna with gravity said, Come on girls, listen. You, lotus-eyed girls, may or may not have many jewels and other valuables to pay as tax. In this Vrindavan, the swinging vines of your arms that used to collect the flowers are the taxes. That is the fine ascertained by Kamadeva. But show me the jewels and other valuables that are collected in these bags. Her friends, they replied, These bags holds articles for the worship of Gopishwara, Lord Shiva. Kusuma Sava says, Are, foolish girls, he, Krishna, indeed is Gopishwara, worship him.
Krishna is the source of all the devas.
So Krishna is the source of all the devas.
Gopishwara is a form of Lord Shiva in Vrindavan.
Gopishwara is a form of Lord Shiva in Vrindavan.
And every dham is protected by Lord Shiva.
In every dham, the dham is protected by Lord Shiva.
In Vrindavan, Gopishwara.
In Vrindavan, he is known as Gopishwara.
In Mayapur, he is known as Vriddha Shiva.
In Mayapur, he is known as Vriddha Shiv.
He is the protector of the Dham.
He is the protector of the Dham. Her friends said, Gopishwar, Lord Shiva is Mahakal, densely dark. Kusumasava replied to her friends, Is he not Mahakal, densely dark? By his splendor, the entire forest is made black as a tamal tree. Her friends replied, We worship the one who has the moon as decoration on his head. Kusumasava said, Look, is he not Chandrasekhar? He points to Krishna's peacock feather, the moon on his crown. The friends said, Talkative boy, we worship Gauripati, the husband of the fair goddess Gauri. Kusumasava replied to her friends, Are all of you not Gauri, one with fair complexion? Jarati said, Child, you know your friend to be the husband of all these girls? Wait. Will I not see you in the village? If you happen to come to the village, I'll give you proper reply to you by punishing you. Her friends said, Talkative fool, we worship Pashupati, Lord of the animals who protects them. Kusumasava said to them, He protects and maintains all these cows. Is he not Pashupati? Her friends reply, Rather you say, since we the Shakas are Pasu's animal, is he then not Pashupati?
Ha! Radharani's friends calling the cowherd boys as animals.
So Radharani's friends are calling the cowherd boys as animals.
Therefore, Krishna is the Pasupati.
Therefore Krishna is the Pasupati. Subal said, So be it, we are all animals, because as per your opinion, he is Pashupati. Then you should worship him. Furthermore, after showing what you carry in these bags, you may go in happiness. What is the use of useless quarrel? Radhika said, Friends, show it. Her friends do that. Kusumasava, while looking, said, This is mask, this is kumkuma, this is black aguru, this is sandal paste, this is camphor, this is pearl necklace artistically made in the shape of a snake. Jarati, snake, bite this boy. Kusumasava says, Noble lady, why would my friend, the subduer of Kaliya, fear any snake? Therefore pay him the fine, toll tax and go. Her friends said, So be it, we will worship the Lord and then go home. If your friend comes there, then we will give what we are able to give. Kusumasava, Are, daughters of servants, must my friend leave his privileged region to go to your home and beg from you? Just wait. He is about to seize the paraphernalia of worship. Lalita, Are, the son of a cowherd king, the paraphernalia for worshipping the deity should not be contaminated. Radha says to Lalita, how can we offer to the deity what he has touched? Therefore, give it up. We will go home and bring other things to worship the deity. So, noble lady, come, let us go home. She desires to leave. Krishna, blocking the path, and said, you who think yourself so clever, where are you going? Radha, in feigning anger, she said, the fine is paid. What fine more do you want? Krishna said while laughing and angrily, What payment have you made? This is the price. Listen. Oh, innocent girl, this golden lotus face, a pair of blue sapphire colored water lily, 2 eyes, situated on this golden lotus. Below the water lilies is a slit of Kuruvinda Kandala, a white flower plant which holds the strands of pearls, lips and teeth. All these are seen, but I have to see what else you have secretly carrying in the two golden ewer. Who are you to judge? You cannot judge for want of discrimination. One is not able to judge without having the sense of judgment.
So that Radha.
Radha, sir.
Jarati, while placing herself between them, she says in Sanskrit, Son of Yashoda, don't be fickle. Why do you behave undisciplined, kidnapping another's wife with a greedy heart? I tell you the truth. If you fearlessly create gossip about this pious girl's molestation, then by this gossip there will be no good fortune for you. Lalita, while approaching Krishna, she angrily says in Sanskrit, Who are you, mister? Krishna says, I am Madhava. Ma plus Dhava, Lakshmi's husband. Lalita says, Oh, are you the month of Vaishaka, Madhava personified? Krishna says, Oh foolish girl, know that I am Janardana, oh, the maintainer of all living entities as Narayan, by being the chastiser of the enemies. Lalita says that you are Janardana, Jana plus Ardhana, inflicts suffering on people, explains why you live in the forest.
So Lord Krishna says,
So whatever Lord Krishna says,
by dividing the word up in a particular way,
Lalita, by dividing the word up in a particular way,
gets opposite meaning.
gets opposite meaning.
And with that, she's defeating Krishna in arguing.
And with that, she is defeating Krishna and arguing. Krishna says, Who in the world does not know me as Govardhana Dhari? Lalita, acceptance that he is Govardhana Dhari. Oh, killer of Vritsasura, you hold Dhari. Govardhana because of the sin of killing the bull, Go. For Vardhanam is Himsa, violence.
Govardhana.
Govardhana.
It's not Govardhanari. Govardhana. Go is cow, and Vardhana is violence.
So she's saying that Govardhana. Go is cow, Vardhana is violence.
So again, Alita had a different meaning. She said, okay, you're Govardhana. Dhari.
Lalita again, she accepts that that he is Govardhana Dhari.
She divided the word go, cow, Vardhana.
She divides the word go, cow, Vardhana.
So that Krishna is guilty of the sin of killing a bull.
Krishna is in the guilty of killing a bull.
And go, Vardhana.
That go Vardhana. Prema Bhakti says, Oh, entertainment. Even though Lord Hari's pastimes are portrayed by actors, it produces unlimited happiness. What can we say when they are portrayed by the Lord Himself and His personal associates? Furthermore, it is well known custom among the learned that the refined spectators derive a certain happiness from the drama, but not the actors. However, here, where both the actors and audience are related to the pastimes of the Lord, what obstacle stands in their way? Moreover, Lord Krishna's activities in the material world are more attractive than his activities in the spiritual world because that is his Leela, pastime. The uncommon attracts the people of the material world, and that is the proof that Lord Krishna's activities in the material world, are actually beyond the touch of matter.
Our Prema Bhakti is giving the actual purport of Krishna's pastimes in the material world.
So, Prema Bhakti is giving the actual purport of Krishna's pastime in the material world.
That here his pastimes are fully transcendental,
That here his pastimes are fully transcendental.
and that remembering or describing or seeing his pastimes,
And that by remembering or describing or seeing his pastimes,
one feels unlimited spiritual happiness.
one feels unlimited spiritual happiness.
And normally the audience would feel pleasure seeing a drama
Normally, the audience feel pleasure by seeing a drama
more than the actors.
more than the actors.
But in this case,
But in this case,
since the actors are devotees,
since the actors are devotees,
the actors, the Lord Himself,
the actors is the Lord Himself,
and the devotees are the audience,
and the devotees are the audience,
everyone is experiencing spiritual bliss
everyone is experiencing spiritual bliss
by remembering the pastimes of Krishna.
by remembering the pastimes of Krishna. Filled with wonder, she looks. Kusumasava says, "Wicked, crooked Lalita, you vilified the deeds of my friend. Therefore stand and fight." Subal, joking and angry, said, "Dear friend, this is true. Your faces do violence to Dvijaraja. Violence to Dvijaraja, your faces defeats the beauty of the moon, Dvijaraj. Your eyes, restless in intoxication, you still gold by your splendor. Your complexion is more splendid than gold. You do not stop associating with exalted ladies. You have exceptional qualities that is praiseworthy. Your Panchamaswara, the fifth and later seventh note gamut supposed to be produced by the air drawn from the five parts of the body. Sweet voices have distracted my friend due to your lust. Nevertheless, you are purified. You are not made impure due to my friend molesting you. Our friend Krishna, even the holy name of who destroys all sins, has become great debauchee in your estimation. What a wonder!"
Subala is at the same time apparently chastising Radha, but he's praising her.
But Subala at the same time apparently chastising Radha, but he is praising her. Therefore, friend, collectors of customs duties, who are not bold are not successful. therefore show your power. Placing himself between them, he turns his back to Radha. With his hands pushes Jarati, who is standing in front of him, and tries forcibly to grasp the end of Radha's sari. Jarati, freeing Radha by force, makes her disappear and then also disappear herself. Lord Nityananda becomes manifest dancing.
Lord Nityananda is playing the part of Jarati,
So Lord Nityananda is playing the part of Jarati,
Radharani's grandmother.
Radharani's grandmother.
And he also plays the part of Yogamaya.
And he also plays the part of Yogamaya.
Yogamaya appears.
Yogamaya disappears. Maitri says to Prema Bhakti, Goddess, what is this? From where has Lord Nityananda suddenly appeared? Where has Jarati gone? Prema Bhakti replies, this is the power of Yogamaya. Entering Nityananda, she became Jarati, and being satisfied that this incomplete mellow has matured sweet enough, has disappeared. Now Nityananda is present in his own form.
For 1 minute, Lord Nityananda was an old lady.
For 1 minute, Lord Nityananda was an old lady,
Jarati,
Jarati,
and in 1 minute,
and in 1 minute,
Jarati disappeared,
Jarati disappeared,
and he became Lord Nityananda.
and he became Lord Nityananda.
So this is the power of Yogamaya.
So this is the power of Yogamaya. Since it is stated, when the natural condition becomes strongest by being itself, then it drops its unnatural condition. Water warmed by the fire or the sun does not stay warm for long. Thus, the artificial mood of Nityananda as Yogamaya has disappeared, and he has appeared again in his original form as Nityananda. Now the play ends. That is the Lord's pastime. It does not follow the ordinary rules of drama. Look, Advaita is Advaita himself. Maitri said, don't how the Lord has become now. A voice from behind the scenes. Ho, hello. A sannyasi. Prema Bhakti says, what are these unexpected contrary, opposed to Grihastha words? I will look. So she looks. A sannyasi enters the Lord's Gauranga Bhavana house. Beholding him, someone laments loudly, so come, let us go together. They both exits. Thus everyone exits. Thus ends Dana Vinoda, the third act of Sri Chaitanya Chandrodaya Nataka.
So somehow the Lord is enjoying this drama.
So somehow the Lord is enjoying this drama.
And he's displaying the pastime of Krishna collecting tax.
He is displaying the pastime of Krishna collecting tax.
And somehow the different people are playing the different roles.
And somehow different people are playing the different roles.
And at the end of the drama,
And at the end of the drama,
they all immediately resume their own form.
they all immediately resume their own form.
And then Krishna became Advaita, Radha became Nityananda.
And then Krishna became Advaita, Jarati became Nityananda.
Normally, it takes a long time to dress up
Normally, it takes a lot of time to dress up
and to put on appropriate makeup. Put on appropriate makeup
to put on appropriate makeup
and costume.
and costume.
But here, the drama actors
But here, the drama actors
immediately change their form
immediately changed their forms
and became who they normally were.
and they became whom they were.
The Jari became Nityananda,
And Jarati became Nityananda,
Krishna became Advaita,
Krishna became Advaita,
and Radha became Gauranga.
and Radha became Gauranga.
Haribo.
Hari Bol. Thus ends the chapter, the pleasing spot of collecting toll tax.
Any questions?
Guru Maharaj, I have a question. In the beginning of this chapter, we heard that Mahaprabhu is going to play the role of Lakshmi. Then here, as the drama goes on, we see that he is playing the role of Srimati Radharani. So how to harmonize these differences?
Different books describe the pastime with different words.
Different books describe the pastimes with different words.
This Chandrodaya Nataka
This Chandrodaya Nataka
describes the pastime of Lord Chaitanya in the role of Radharani.
describes the pastime as Lord Chaitanya in the role of Radharani.
And Lakshmi is also a name of Radha.
Lakshmi is also a name of Radha.
But here we're given more details of the drama by this Chandrodaya Nataka.
Here we see more details of the drama by the Chandrodaya Natak.
And so here they give the detail. Lord Chaitanya appeared as Radha.
So here we get the details that Lord Chaitanya appeared as Radha.
But in some books, they just say that Lord Chaitanya appeared as a goddess of fortune.
But some books says that Lord Chaitanya appeared as goddess of fortune.
But they don't give any details.
But they don't give any details.
So that's why this book is a synthesis of all the different books.
That's why this book is a synthesis of all different books.
And we're trying to combine different books that describe different pastimes.
That's why we are trying to compile the different books which describes the pastimes,
Different pastimes.
the different pastimes.
And sometimes one book describes one pastime,
And sometimes one book describes one pastime,
sometimes another book describes another pastime,
sometimes another book describes another pastimes,
sometimes various books describe the same pastime.
sometimes the various books describes the same pastime,
They give slightly different details.
may give slightly different details.
That's the situation of the
So that's the situation of the
Chaitanya Leelas.
Chaitanya Leelas.
All some common things.
They all have some common things.
That there was a drama in Chandrasekhar's house,
That there was a drama in Chandrasekhar's house.
and that so some details may be different.
Then so some details might be different. Beloved Guru Maharaja, please accept my most respectful obeisances at your merciful lotus feet. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Guru Maharaj, can you clarify to us if the Chandrasekhara in whose house this amazing drama is going on is the same Chandrasekhara of Varanasi where Mahaprabhu stayed? Your fallen son, Haridas Chaitanya Das.
I don't think it's the same one
I don't think it's the same one
because this Chandrasekhar is called as Mama Thakur.
this Chandrasekhar is called as Mama Thakur.
He is the uncle of Lord Chaitanya.
He is the uncle of Lord Chaitanya.
But the person in Varanasi
But the person in Banaras
was not the uncle of Lord Chaitanya.
is not the uncle of Lord Chaitanya.
That's what I understand.
That's what I understand. Hare Krishna Srila Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. All glories to your divine grace. Your divine grace have mentioned several times to pray to Panchatattva before starting our chanting. Please, could you advise what is the best prayer? Thank you, Guru Maharaj. Your insignificant daughter, Amala Manjari Devi Dasi.
Now, before chanting Hare Krishna,
Before chanting Hare Krishna,
we say the Panchatattva mantra.
we say the Panchatattva mantra.
Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Sri Advaita Gadadhar, Sri Sadi Gaur Bhaktavinda.
Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhara, Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
That mantra was specifically given to us
That mantra was specifically given to us
by Siddhartha Jagannath Das Baba.
by Siddha Jagannath Das Babaji. Baba.
There are many versions of the Panchatattva mentioned in the Chaitanya Charitamrita,
There are many versions of the Panchatattva that mentioned in the Chaitanya Charitamrita.
but this version made by Siddha Jagannath Das Baba, Babaji, is the one that we chant.
But this version, which is made by Srila Jagannath Das Babaji, is the one that we chant.
Then Amma Manjari, did you attend the UK virtual Rath Yatra,
Did Amala Manjari Devdasi, did you attend the UK virtual Rath Yatra,
which I was asked to speak at?
which I was the last speaker? Question. Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances. How to accept the every decision of Guru and Gauranga, your aspiring daughter Antima Das?
How to accept the every decision?
How to accept the every decision of Guru and Gauranga, your aspiring daughter Antima Das?
Like if you fly an airplane,
Like fly an aeroplane.
at different levels of license.
There are different levels of license.
One is you can only fly in the daylight,
One is that you can only fly in the daylight,
beneath the clouds.
beneath the clouds.
And then other kind is that
And then the other kind is that
you can fly in the cloud
you can fly in the cloud
and you cannot see.
when you cannot see.
You depend on your instruments.
You depend on your instruments.
Even your senses tell you that you're upside down or you're
Even your senses tell you outside down,
some misinformation.
some misinformation.
But you follow the instruments.
But you follow the instruments.
That's the higher level of license for flying the planes.
So that is the higher levels of license to flying the planes.
So we accept the decision of Guru and Gauranga
So we accept the decision of Guru and Gauranga
because we do not depend on the decision of our senses.
because we do not depend on the decision of our senses.
Our senses and mind may mislead us.
The senses and mind may mislead us,
and but Guru and Gauranga will not mislead us.
but Guru and Gauranga will not mislead us.
Now, we should not accept our Guru if we do not believe him.
We should not accept a Guru if we do not believe them.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.